Morning students, welcome to online teaching learning platform of R.P.M. Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Lalpur. Today we'll be going to cover chapter 11, Human Eye and Colourful 1. It is of class 10th chapter. We will be going to study in this chapter, in this tutorial, the structure and function of the different parts of human eye. So first of all, we will understand the structure of human eye. You can see that this is the structure of human. So this is a typical structure of human eye. As you can see that these are the ciliary muscles which are holding the lens from both sides. This is the outer layer which is called cornea. This is a convex lens which is present in our eye, and it is forming the inverted and real image. This is iris, and this iris is controlling the size of the pupil, and pupil is allowing the light to enter into our eye. Then we have this center portion between the cornea and the eye lens, which is filled like a plasma-like substance, and this is helping in the refraction of the light. This circular portion is filled with the jelly-like substance which is called as vitreous humor, and this is controlling the shape of the eye. Then we have this retina, this circular portion, which is having light sensitive cells, and it is helping in the formation of the image. The image formation in our eye takes place at retina. These are the nerves which are called as the optic nerves, which are carrying the message to the brain about the image formation. So these are the different parts of our eye. Now one by one we will understand the function of each part of our eye. So now we will be understanding the function of the different parts of the eye. We have first of all the cornea. Cornea is helping in the light. It is helping in the refraction of the light. Then eyeball. It is a convex lens which is approximately spherical in shape with a diameter of 2.3 centimeter. Then we have iris, which is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of the pupil. It is behind cornea, and it helps in accommodation of the light by changing the size of the pupil. Pupil is regulating and controlling the amount of light entering the eye. It is black opening between the aqueous humor and the lens. Then we have a crystalline lens, which is basically made up of the fibrous jelly-like material, and it is helping in converging the beam of light at retina where the image formation takes place. This crystalline lens is held by the ciliary muscles, and the ciliary muscles are also helping in the adjustment of the focal length of the lens. Last but not least is the retina, where the formation of the image takes place because there are light sensitive cells called photoreceptors are present. These photoreceptors are of two types. One are the rod cells and the cone cells, which together help in the formation of the image. So this image formation is acting as the electrical signal which is being taken by the optic nerve to the brain, and then brain analyze the signals, after which we perceive the object as they are. Now let's understand how pupil works. When there is a light which is very bright light, there is a contraction in our pupil so that less amount of the light enters the eye. But when there is a dim light, we expand, the iris expand the pupil so that more of light can enter into our eye. So pupil opens completely when iris are relaxed. Then we'll understand about the persistence of the vision when we see any object. It is a time for which the sensation of an object continues in our eye, and that time is about 1/16 of the second, up to which we can persist the image into our eye. So next is power of accommodation. This is the ability of our eye lens to adjust the focal length with the help of the ciliary muscles, and that is what we can call as the power of accommodation. So how actually ciliary muscle works, that we will understand through this table. As you can see in this table, the ciliary muscles, when they are relaxed, what will happen? The lens will become thin and the focal length will increase, and hence we are able to see the far off object, that is distant object. But when our ciliary muscles contract, the lens will become thick and there is a decrease in the focal length, and then hence we are able to see the nearby objects. So we have two things, that is far point of distinct vision and the near point of distinct vision. It is being seen that we are able to see the object clearly if the distance between the object and minimum distance between the object and our eye is 25 centimeter for a normal eye. So this minimum distance is called as the near point of distinct vision, and far point of distinct vision for a normal eye ranges infinity. It is infinity up to which our eye can see. So this is all for today. In the next tutorial, we'll be going to understand about the concept of atmospheric refraction. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you very much.